Now at this point I would like to share a little bit in the history of the Christian Church, page 327. Justinus was the emperor, and it was during his reign. His empire was crumbling. He tried everything in his power to restore it. He had a general with the name of Belisarius. He was busy fighting against these nomadic tribes, actually against the Goths. And in the city of Rome, the church had a bishop with the name of Silvanus. Now, history tells us that Silvanus was a man of God. He was head of the church in Rome, and he did not associate himself with this war. As a matter of fact, he did not want to have anything to do with it, with any of these fighting factions. And when the nomadic tribes wanted to come into Rome, he closed the big iron gates. He refused them to come in. But he also did the same. When Belisarius and his men wanted to enter the city, he closed the gates and he refused them entry as well. And at one stage, the Goths were getting the upper hand, and they were pushing the Roman army against the wall of the city. And Belisarius started to panic, and he sent a letter to the emperor, to Justinian, begging him to do something about it to save them. Now, Justinian's wife was the queen, but she was a Christian, and she was a friend of this bishop, Silvanus. And at one stage, the Emperor Justinus actually begged his wife and asked her to ask Silvanus to please open the gates for his general. And in the end, she went there. Silvanus listened to her. He opened the gates, and he let Belisarius and his men, his troops in. He shut the gates in front of the Goths that were fighting against them. What the Bishop of Rome, Silvanus, did not know was that Justinian and Belisarius, his general, had previously already planned to get rid of him, Silvanus, as the Bishop of Rome. And that's exactly what they did. They arrested him, they banned him, and they put their own man, Virgilius, on the throne of Rome. They made him the bishop, the head of the church, but they also gave him the scepter of the emperor. And that is where this little horn power was born. And that is where the popery started. The year was 538, a very important date to remember.